Ooh, pretty.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the tip, I'm gonna roll inverted and we'll come down along the face.
What?
Go upside down and we'll pull out and we'll scrape down the side of the mountain.
No, that's definitely not a thing that you're gonna do.
Any mountain climbers, rock climbers?
Don't see any, but I'm sure they're out there.
This is cool.
This is really cool.
Surprised I don't see more people doing this.
Are you allowed to do this?
Yeah. As long as we don't get within like 500 feet of the rocks. See that little rock jutting up there and it's kind of broken?
Yeah.
That's where the guy did the thing when I flew the drone.
Oh. That was a cool video.
Yeah.
Did he ever sell a lot of those?
I don't know. You're not really filming much though.
Oh, sorry. I got distracted looking. I was looking at shit.
You see the old train wrecks from the mines?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm gonna start turning.
Okay.
I don't know if we can fly over the wind turbines. I think that's within the airspace over there. Look at this 93 we gotta drive on. Oh, look, Denver's in the sun now.
Oh yeah. Well, that was really cool.
Yeah, that was awesome.